Bitcoin is breaking above super critical resistance right now, and while this is happening, Bitcoin created a CME gap around 31,000 US dollars, and in this exact video, I will give a huge update on my Bitcoin trade. I will talk about what this means for Bitcoin right now, that we created the CME gap around $31,000, and many more important stuff will be getting discussed. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Let's smash it back above 600 likes, and with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term. Once looking at the imminent short term, we can see that yesterday we were looking at this gigantic consolidation phase. We broke outside of it, and after that we saw a significant pump towards the upside, and Bitcoin once again formed a higher high on the market, hitting the 31.6k here. And be very much aware, 31.6k is the level to break in order to flip bullish on the macro trend. So if I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, first of all, the imminent short, we do currently know it is Saturday, and due to the fact that it is Saturday, it's weekend, and Bitcoin closes its CME price. And the CME futures price actually closed around 31.2k, what means that currently Bitcoin is literally trading $600 below its CME futures price, what is definitely already very bullish, because like we do know, 98% of all the CME gaps that get created tends to get filled up within 2 weeks after the creation of the CME gap, or they don't get filled up at all on the Monday, but they already get moved back towards the upside on the Sunday. So there's a lot of potential that Bitcoin is going to be bouncing further on towards the upside from off this point, whether it's going to be happening tomorrow, or whether it's going to be happening today, or whether it will be once again happening at the beginning of next week here. Bitcoin looks extremely bullish here, and you can clearly see this move yesterday here was once again a super strong one in my opinion. We can currently see, if we are going to start zooming out here, is that the moves we're currently creating are less exponential, that the momentum could be drying up for Bitcoin, because this was a very strong move of about 15% towards the upside, and after that we get a move towards the upside of about 5%. So we can see that the strength is losing in the market right now a little bit here. The momentum is drying off here, and that is indicating that potentially this could be the market top here for the short term. We can currently also see that we're creating, of course, higher highs on the price chart, lower highs on the RSI, lower highs on the MACD, indicating right now there's a lot of weakness in the imminent short term. The previous high in the market is currently providing a support. I mean, yes, we are creating a CME gap around 31.2k. This move towards the upside and the rejection that we actually got from off this level is indicating that right now momentum looks to be drying up. So there could be two things happening, or either we're going to see a bigger rejection towards the downside, potentially, at least for the coming 3 to 4 days here. So giving an update on my trade, still holding my trade strong here, making 1.44 Bitcoin right now. What is an approximately, let me say it correctly, 45 to 50,000 US dollars, what is absolutely incredible. So yeah, trade is still doing very well here. I'm looking to take profits around $40,000 with this trade. So yes, I am not to my take profit target yet so far, and personally with my entry I got, I think I can ride this trade much higher, so I'm going to continue to hold the trade. If you're interested in trading, don't forget to go to the links in the description, where you can right now get insane deposit bonuses by signing up an account using the link in the description. Furthermore, you should also definitely consider subscribing to the channel, since I showed this trade step by step, even once I was in a loss on the trade, but also at the moment I started to add more margin towards this trade, I showed every single step here on the channel. So consider subscribing to the channel if you want to be staying up to date and want to be knowing more about cryptocurrency trading. Furthermore, we can see that Bitcoin is creating a daily bull flag, what is currently also breaking out, and what is very important to be looking at right now here is this retest we're currently getting of this region. Bitcoin literally set a new higher high than the previous high in the market, so this is already a super bullish indication for the bigger perspective. Be aware, if you are looking at the weekly time frame, there is one gigantic level, and that is this low right here, 31.7k. If you extend it, you can see previously around this level provided significant support for Bitcoin, and if you're extending this level to the right here, you can currently see that we're literally retested this level, and the 31.8k is the level to be breaking for Bitcoin. So you can see we had that move towards the upside, we touched 31.5k approximately, but 31.8k is really the target to be breaking, and Bitcoin is about to be approaching that, so get ready for that. We're currently at super important resistance, but if we manage to break it, it's going to be super bullish for Bitcoin in general. Still having a very beautiful uptrend here, and of course I will extend this trend line here. If Bitcoin were to see another retest of this level, I will be most certainly opening up new and bigger long positions on this trend line right here. I've already opened up, of course, this trade I currently have on this exact low right here on the market. But if I do get another opportunity, I will be most certainly take it with both of my hands here. So you can see here the daily resistance 31.7k. We're currently literally trading against it. So Bitcoin is at a super crucial decisive moment in the market right now. At the same time, we do know the cup and handle pattern is breaking out for Bitcoin, and at the same time we're actually breaking above the most important trend in the entire trend of Bitcoin. So you can clearly see on the weekly time frame, this was a low on the market here. Here we of course found support on the low. Here we got rejected from this, and here we got also once again a big rejection, and currently we are actually breaking above this level. So Bitcoin is right now seeing potentially a break above this level. If we confirm the weekly candle above the 30.5k here, is going to be absolutely super, but super bullish for Bitcoin. So I'm going to keep my eyes wide open on this level, and if we confirm the breakout above this level right here, we are literally seeing the start of an entire new trend towards the upside. I mean, yes, we've already been trading in a trend, but this would be an even bigger statement, because at that point we're literally exiting this bear market region right here and basically entering the bull market region, what could make Bitcoin even more volatile. And yeah, that would only confirm that we are probably going to be looking higher for Bitcoin, especially since these big institutions are stepping in, right? And at the same time, while Bitcoin is breaking that weekly resistance right there, we can currently see that the weekly horizontal resistance is not being broken yet so far. So still going to be keeping my eyes wide open on this level. It looks to be that the weekly candle close is going to be super bullish for Bitcoin, so I'm going to keep my eyes wide open. But Bitcoin needs to still break above the resistance, so we need to be patient and we need to see the breakout getting confirmed here. So that was it for me in today's update video. There's not much more to talk about it. Bitcoin is creating a gigantic CME gap above us right now here, giving us a possibility of more upside to come over the course of the weekend or over the beginning of next week here. So that was it for me in today's update video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.